Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Kia Forte GT. This thing is so much fun. Oh man, $24,095 sticker price. Oh, I love these cars. Just stepped out of the K5 GT, come back down into this, and I still love it. This one's the 7-speed dual clutch, mated with the 1.6 liter turbo. That does sound. Really good. Versing camera. Oh yeah. Let's go for a drive. Let's see this bump. This thing is awesome. Now, they do offer it in a 6-speed manual. Personally, that's the way I'd go. But I will say this dual clutch is one of the better automatics I've driven. It is really impressive. Especially coming from Kia. I mean, Porsche, yeah, they have to make a good dual clutch or they go out of business. These guys, they didn't need to put a dual clutch in it. They could have made a CVT. But you know what? They put a dual clutch in it. And man, do I thank them for it. Because this thing really is phenomenal fun. Alright, so here's an indicator that you're looking at a turbo version. See the red center caps? The non-GTs don't have that. I first noticed that on the Seltos. The Seltos had red center caps for the SX trim and the turbo trims. So I noticed that on the GT Fortes too. It's pretty funny. I don't think the sole is the same way. If it actually might be. It might be the same. I have to look at a picture of a turbo sole. But now that I've noticed that, I can't unsee it. So it might be too small to pick up. That has no red center caps. Whereas this one has red center caps. That's pretty cool. That's a good way, quick, easy way to tell if you're looking at a turbo or NA. I love this car. I seriously almost bought one as a daily driver. Do a stoplight situation. Well, that's about as big of a waste of a tow truck as that's like putting a little Tonka truck on a flatbed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.